Companies that use data-driven forecasting achieve 10% higher revenue growth than those relying on gut feeling, according to McKinsey research. Forecast.ETS takes a target date, historical values, and historical dates. It detects seasonality automatically and returns a predicted value. One formula gives you a statistically sound forecast. A point forecast is useless without a confidence range. Forecast.ETS.confident returns the margin of error at your chosen confidence level, typically 95%. Plot upper and lower bounds alongside your forecast. Forecast.ETS detects seasonal patterns by default, but you can override the seasonality length and aggregation method. I show how to fine-tune parameters for monthly, quarterly, and weekly data. Using 3 years of monthly sales data, I build a 12-month forecast with confidence intervals, visualized as a line chart with shaded uncertainty bands. The entire process takes under 10 minutes. Data-driven forecasting is a career differentiator. Subscribe for more Excel analytics tutorials that give you an edge.